Number 9 says the heights of adult males in the United States are approximately normally distributed. The mean height is 70 inches, or 5 feet 10 inches, and the standard deviation is 3 inches. Use the table to estimate the probability that a randomly selected male is more than 74 inches, or 74.5 inches tall. So what we need to do for that, we're looking at where it's going to be more than. And we said we have a mean of 70. On our table here, you've got a bunch of z-scores and you've got a bunch of areas. Now the z-scores are how many standard deviations from the mean we are. The area is the percent below that number that we're looking at. So in this case, our mean is at 70. We've got a standard deviation of 3, so that means one standard deviation up is 73, two standard deviations up is 76, one standard deviation down is 67, two standard deviations down is 64. Now we've also got a bunch of half standard deviations here, so halfway between 70 and 73 is 71.5, halfway between 73 and 76 is 74.5, and then 1.5 after 76 is 77.5. Going down halfway between 67 and 70 is 68.5, halfway between 64 and 67, 65.5, and then half a step below 64 brings us down to 62.5. Now it says, what's the probability that we have a male that's more than 74.5 inches tall? So we got to figure out where 74.5 inches are, and it's over here. Now this says that 93% are below 74.5 inches tall, which means the percent above has to be the remaining part of the 100%. So if it's 93 below, that means it's got to be 7% above. So therefore, there is 7% taller than 74.5 inches. And that's all.